Paano nga ba magpalit ng banner sa ating channel? Ayan guys. Sa video na ito, ipamahagi ko sa inyo kung paano palitan ang banner sa ating channel. Ayun, today we have a Tagalog version. This is for all the people sa mga marami kasi nagtatanong guys kung paano. Kaya sa ngayon, para ito sa mga kakapwa ko Filipino na nagtatanong kung paano palitan ang ating banner. Ito naman ay gamit ang laptop. So iyon, ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano. Ayun, nandito ako sa aking channel page. Ayun, kung makita nyo guys. Ayun, sa aking banner dito, actually guys, this is not a model ha. Hindi ito talaga ang pinaka tama na gawin mong banner. Ang ginawa ko dito sa aking channel, ang ginawa kong banner ay itong isa sa aking mga creation, ay isang miniature set of sofa. Hindi naman yan buong-buong nakuha yung picture kasi medyo may requirement tayo dito kung anong size. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung anong required size or appropriate size na dapat dito sa ating banner. So ito ay mga portion lang sa photo na nakuha. So ayun ay isang miniature sofa. Dahil ang nakatima sa aking channel ay ito nga mga craft at saka DIY. Kaso lang ito talaga ang umpisa bakit ako naggawa ng channel, pero nangyari na wala ako gaanong panahon na gumawa ng mga craft, kaya nahalo na yung video ko, which is hindi siya dapat. So ayun, dapat ang niche talaga is yung ano lang, craft. Kaya ito, nagbukas ako ng channel. Kaya sa ngayon, tinatry nating palitan ang ating banner. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano guys. Ayun. Andito tayo sa channel page. First, puntahan natin dito customize channel. Kasi dapat dati mayroong ballpen na parang ganun. Hindi ko na makita ngayon. So ngayon, punta tayo dito sa ating button ng customize channel. So ito ay gamit ang laptop. So pagbukas sa customize channel, dadalhin tayo dito sa page na ito guys. So iyon, channel customization. Medyo malabo. Ayun, under channel customization, dito sa baba, makita natin may layout, branding, basic info. So ayun, punta tayo sa branding. Ayun, kasi sa under layout, ano yan, yung channel trailer at saka featured video. Dito tayo sa branding. Ayun, sa branding natin guys, sa baba, may makita tayong picture. Ito yung picture na makita natin doon. Sabi, your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube. So, such as next to your videos and comments. So, nandoon. Tapos, may size siya dito na sinabi, 98 by 98 pixels. And 4 MB or 4 megabytes or less. Tapos, ano siya, GIF or PNG. Yung ano niya, yung animations file. So, yun yung file niya. So, make sure that your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. So, ayun, kung gusto mo siyang palitan, dito rin din. Pero ngayon, ang pinag-usapan natin yung banner. Ito yun, banner image. So, dito tayo sa banner image. Ngayon, yung banner image ko iyan. So, subukan nating palitan ng ibang photo. So, click natin yung change. Pero bago sa pag-click na yan, alamin mo kung ano yung dapat na size ng photo o kaya ng larawan. So, yun, nakalagay dito. For the best results on all devices, use an image that at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or at least or less. Ayan, or less. So, 2048, na yung nakasulat dito guys. 2048 and 1152 pixel and 6 megabytes. Kasi mag-a-appear yan sa device ng cellphone, laptop at saka desktop. So kaya siya, this size is appropriate for all devices. So click natin guys, change. Huwag ka mabagal. So, dito tayo sa aking, subukan natin palitan ng DIY. Kung mag-work siya. Ayun, lumabas siya ng ganyan guys. Customize banner art. For the best results, use an image that at least 2,560 by 14,040 pixels. Since hindi ako nakapaghanda ng photo talaga, ito ay hindi ko alam kung anong size nito, kaya ang lumabas ganito. So, hayaan natin at tingnan natin anong kinalabasan. Pero pag gusto mo makita yung kabuuan talaga, gawa ka ng appropriate size na bigay dito. Yung sinabi nila kung magkano. Ngayon, click natin yung done. So, ayun, lumabas siya ng ganyan, guys. All you need to do, next, anong gagawin mo? Punta ka doon sa upper right side. May nakalagay na publish. Click natin yung publish. At sabi niya dito, view channel. So ito guys, ang pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay gamit ang laptop. Okay? Laptop. So ngayon, napalitan na siya. So ngayon, ang banner ko ngayon, nakalagay, DIY, kaso lang, hindi siya tama ang size ng puto dahil wala akong handang iba. Ang nangyari, ganyan ang nangyari guys. Parang putol, pero di bali na lang. At least, merong nakikita. No? Pero hindi yan a good example talaga na size ng puto. Pero sa ngayon, for the video sake, ganyan lang muna. So na yan guys, ang ating pagpalit. Ito ay gamit ang laptop. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo gamit ang cellphone, paano ba? Ngayon guys, bago tayo mag-proceed, mag-shoutout muna ako sa aking mga mahal na channel members kasi sila yung pamilya ko dito. Kaya punta tayo sa aking managed videos at bisitahin natin ang ating mga mahal na channel members at i-mention ko sila dito sa aking channel. Ayun. At bago ang lahat, isigaw ko muna si Happy Abby TV. Happy Abby TV, Jansport TV. Ito, dito tayo guys kasi meron akong nahanda na ano. Ayan. Happy Abby TV, Jansport TV, Pinay Else Vlog, NELLY'S Journey, Lolito Vlog TV, Alneytv. Ayun, while waiting na nagbubukas siya guys. So yan, special shoutout, special mention Alneytv. Siya yung ano guys, VIP mega member ko guys. So it means second level ito na channel member ko si Alneytv. So sis, special shoutout to you out there in Canada. And today, Alneytv is my featured channel member. And in connection to our video topic today guys, if I would recommend, if you want to use your cell phone to change your banner, I would recommend to check the channel of Alneytv because meron siya doon guys teaching kung paano, step by step guide kung paano natin palitan ang banner gamit ang cellphone. So ngayon balikan natin dito, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Special shout out muna ang aking kapatid at napakabait na si Inday Roads Lagura of Spain. Ayan. Kung hindi pa kayo connected kay Inday Roads Lagura, Ayun, huwag mag-atubili guys. At kaibiganin na natin ang ating mabait na kapatid na sa Rhodes Lagura of Spain. And also Marlix Journey. Ito lahat dito guys, mga interesting people to sila guys. Talagang kayo nang bahala kung gusto kayong makipagkaibigan. Talagang hindi kayo magre-regrets. Ayun, special mention Rhodes Lagura of Spain, Marlix Journey, Alan Cabato, Cecilia B. Ireland. Yan. Rhodes Lagura, Marlix Journey, Alan Cabato, Cecilia B. Ireland, Balico D. Philjap. And also, Ilimfro Virgo, Mappy Rose. Ayun, lately guys, may mga bagong video sila dito guys na napanood ko. Talagang interesting yun. Most of it. And also, especially Mappy Rose, there is a new video which is very helpful guys. I'm sure you will love it. And also, Ilimfro Virgo and Balico Deep Field Job, Pinay Rock Hill USA, there's also one new video. And Tidai's Journey, all interesting videos so far I was able to see it in their channel. And Negosyo at Pangkabuhayan. Special shout out to all of you and Alneytv, my featured channel member today, and I will be showing you guys because in today's video's title, how to change the banner in our channel, I would recommend the channel of Alneytv guys because there is a really good teaching there to when you are using your cell phone. So Lolito Vlog TV, I will continue to make a special shout out to Lolito Vlog TV and Lolito Vlog TV, NELLY'S Journey. Ayan, NELLY'S Journey. Special shout out to you sis. Pinay-Els Vlog TV. Special shout out to you sis. Jansport TV. Special shout out to you Jansport TV. And Happy Abby TV. Thank you so much guys for trusting me and also for being here in my channel. You really you are really my family guys, and you know, without you, I don't know how can I sustain here in YouTube. So you are also, each one of you are also helping me to be here in YouTube and to continue to provide some helpful videos guys to our viewers. So thank you so much for all the love and support, and of course I will be happy to have you here all the time. Thank you so much guys, and thanks, special thanks as well to all my previous channel members, and of course I will make a big shout out again next time because I lost my list. And now let's proceed to Alneytv, my featured channel member today. So if you're not yet connected to Alneytv guys, this is my VIP mega second level of my perks of my channel membership. So it is really an honor to have you here, sis Alneytv. Special shout out to you out there, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And today guys, to all my viewers, I would recommend the channel of Alneytv in relationship to our video topic today, how to change banner using cell phone. You could find it here in the channel of Alneytv because what I'm using a while ago guys is a laptop. So here you could find the video here of Alneytv on how to change a channel banner using a desktop, using a cell phone, sorry. So it's in the bottom part guys, so it's here, and this is really a step-by-step guide. Really you could see and you will really know how to do it since she showed it here clearly guys, vividly. So kayo na bahalang magpunta at magbisita dito kung talagang gusto nyong magpalit ng banner at cellphone ang gamit ninyo. So ayun, paano maglagay ng cover photo sa YouTube channel art or banner using cellphone. Ayan, maliwanag guys at maiksi lang ang video. So, madali siyang sundan. So, ayun guys, marami mga helpful videos dito si Alneytv. Kayo nang bahalang guys. And also, if you want to see the beauty of Canada, you will really enjoy in this channel. So, it is your option or choice to see and to connect our good friend Alneytv. Because this person is really legitimate and real, authentic. Really guys, I want you to find out. That's my own opinion only, and that's it guys. And see more here in the channel of Alneytv. Very interesting. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. And once again, special shout out and